Have you noticed that some women create a deep connection without expensive clothes or trying to impress? Their strength is not beauty alone. It is the way they speak. Marcus Aurelius believed that words reveal character, and character earns lasting respect. A man's heart is often moved by peace, honesty, respect, and quiet strength, not perfect looks. Today, you will discover 13 simple sentences that can make a man feel respected, valued, and emotionally close. Stay until the end. The final sentence shows the difference between short attraction and lifelong respect. Many believe attraction begins with appearance. Stoicism teaches something deeper. Beauty may open a door, but character decides who stays. A mature man does not only want beauty. He wants peace after facing the world's problems. He remembers the person who brings calm instead of conflict. 1. I believe in you. Every man fights silent battles. Some worry about money. Some fear failure. Many never speak about it. When a woman says, I believe in you, she gives trust before success appears. Marcus Aurelius often reminded himself that true strength comes from within. Yet everyone values someone who sees their potential. There is a difference between saying, you're amazing, and I believe in you. One praises the present. The other believes in the future. Example, a man starts a small business and doubts himself. Instead of asking, will this even work, she says, I believe in you. Keep going. Those words stay with him longer than praise. 2. I appreciate everything you do. Many men work hard without hearing these words. They solve problems, carry responsibilities, and keep moving. Often, their effort is noticed only when they fail. Stoicism teaches gratitude. Gratitude changes relationships because it notices effort, not only results. Ask yourself, which man feels more respected, the one who hears complaints every day, or the one who hears, I appreciate what you do? People naturally stay close to those who make them feel valued. Example, he fixes something at home after a long day. Instead of staying silent, she smiles and says, thank you. I appreciate everything you do. A simple sentence brings quiet joy. 3. I feel safe with you. Every man wants to know his presence brings peace. This is not only about physical protection. It is about being calm, reliable, and steady. Marcus Aurelius admired people who protected others through patience and self-control. When a woman says, I feel safe with you, she praises his character, not his appearance. Excitement fades with time. Security grows stronger. Example, during a stressful moment, she says, when you're here, I feel safe. Those words tell him his calm matters. 4. I love hearing your thoughts. Many people wait to speak. Few truly listen. Stoicism teaches that wise people listen before they answer. When a woman says, I love hearing your thoughts, she tells a man that his mind matters, not only his actions. Real attention has become rare. That is why it creates deep connection. Example, after dinner, instead of checking her phone, she asks, what do you think about this? Then, she listens without interrupting. He feels understood, not judged. 5. I'm proud of the man you are becoming. This sentence speaks to growth, not perfection. Marcus Aurelius believed that every day is a chance to become a better person. No one is complete. We are all improving. When a woman says she is proud of the man he is becoming, she recognizes his effort, discipline, and progress. She is not praising success alone. She is honoring the journey. Example, he becomes more patient, more responsible, and more honest over time. She notices and says, I'm proud of the man you are becoming. Those words remind him that real growth never goes unseen. Notice these words carefully. Not the man you were, not only the man you are today, but the man you are becoming. Stoicism teaches that life is a journey of improvement. Marcus Aurelius never believed he was perfect. Every day, he tried to become wiser, kinder, and stronger than before. A woman who sees growth instead of perfection gives a man the strength to continue. Nobody wants to feel that their efforts are never enough. Everyone wants someone who notices their progress. Growth creates hope. Hope creates motivation. Motivation creates action. Action creates results. This sentence tells a man that his effort matters, even before he reaches his goals. Many people celebrate only success. Wise people celebrate progress. Success may come once in a while, but progress happens every day. A relationship built on growth becomes stronger during difficult times. Marcus Aurelius taught that obstacles are not only problems. They are chances to build character. When someone sees your character, not just your achievements, you remember them. These words are not powerful because they are magical. They are powerful because they come from honesty, respect, and maturity. Without sincerity, even beautiful words feel empty. With sincerity, even simple words become unforgettable. 6. I enjoy being with you. These words may sound simple, but their meaning is deep. They do not praise money, status, or success. They say one thing: your presence is enough. Marcus Aurelius believed true peace comes from character, not possessions. Many men secretly wonder, would someone still value me if I had nothing to prove? This sentence answers that fear. It tells him that he is valued not for what he provides, but for who he is. Example: a man loses his job and feels like a failure. Instead of judging him, she says, I still enjoy being with you. Your value is not your job. Those words remove pressure and create a deeper connection. 7. I trust your judgment. Trust is one of the highest forms of respect. It tells someone that you believe in their ability to think wisely and make good choices. Stoicism teaches that wisdom is greater than power. A strong person controls emotions and thinks before acting. When a woman says, I trust your judgment, she recognizes his wisdom, not only his strength. But true trust must be earned through honesty, responsibility, and actions. Example: before making an important decision, she asks his opinion because she respects his thinking. He feels that his efforts to become better are noticed. People often become more responsible when their responsibility is trusted. 8. Thank you. Only 2 words. Yet these words can strengthen a relationship more than 1,000 dramatic promises. Gratitude reminds people that their efforts are seen. Marcus Aurelius understood that gratitude is a sign of wisdom, not weakness. Imagine a man comes home tired after fixing something or helping the family. He can hear silence, he can hear complaints, or he can hear a sincere thank you. Which one stays in his heart? Many believe attraction comes from excitement, but often it grows from appreciation. A strong relationship is not built by one perfect moment. It is built by thousands of small moments that say, I see you. 9. I know I can count on you. A dependable man is one of the greatest strengths in life. He may not be the loudest person. He may not seek attention. But when life becomes difficult, he stands firm. Marcus Aurelius respected people whose actions matched their words. Stoicism teaches that character is shown through behavior, not promises. When a woman says, I know I can count on you, she is not praising charm or appearance. She is recognizing something deeper: his reliability, his character, his strength. And for many men, being trusted is one of the greatest forms of respect. Many people confuse excitement with love, but excitement fades. Peace endures. A relationship built only on excitement often struggles when life becomes difficult. A relationship built on peace grows stronger through every challenge. When a man hears, I feel peaceful when I'm with you, he feels accepted not for what he owns, not for what he achieves, but simply for who he is. That kind of acceptance is rare, and it creates a bond that lasts far beyond temporary attraction. Now we come to the final line. It is perhaps the simplest sentence in this entire list, yet it carries extraordinary power. I'm proud of the man you are. Notice what she is celebrating. Not his wealth, not his appearance, not his status, his character. Marcus Aurelius believed that the only true measure of a person is the quality of their character. Everything else can disappear overnight. Money can be lost. Success can fade. Beauty changes. Reputation can shift. But character remains. When a woman sincerely says, I'm proud of the man you, or she recognizes the invisible battles he has fought. She acknowledges the discipline, integrity, patience, and resilience that others may never notice. For many men, these words mean more than endless praise for achievements, because they affirm something deeper. They affirm identity. They say, I see the person behind the success. That kind of recognition is unforgettable. Every day, countless men carry responsibilities without asking for applause. They solve problems quietly. They protect those they love. They keep moving forward, even when life feels overwhelming. Most people notice only the results. Very few notice the effort. When someone appreciates the effort, the connection becomes profoundly meaningful. Stoicism reminds us that we cannot control whether others admire us. We can only control whether we live according to our values. Ironically, people who focus on character rather than attention often become the most respected. That is why these 13 lines matter. None of them rely on manipulation. None of them depend on pretending to be someone you're not. Each one reflects honesty, respect, gratitude, admiration, trust, and emotional maturity. These are not tricks to create attraction. They are expressions of genuine appreciation. And genuine appreciation has always been timeless. Marcus Aurelius understood that lasting relationships are not built through grand gestures alone. They are built through countless small moments of kindness, consistency, and mutual respect. Words have power, but only when they are supported by actions. Anyone can say beautiful things for a day. Few people live them consistently. If you want a relationship that lasts, focus less on saying the perfect words, and more on becoming the kind of person whose actions make those words true. Because in the end, attraction may begin with emotion, but lasting love is built on character. If you found wisdom in today's lesson, let us know in the comments which of these 13 lines you believe carries the greatest meaning. And if you're committed to building strength, discipline, and lasting confidence through Stoic philosophy, subscribe and join us for more timeless lessons inspired by Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus. Remember, master your mind, live with virtue, and let your character speak louder than your words. Excitement rises quickly. It also fades quickly. Peace grows slowly. But once it takes root, it is difficult to replace. Imagine two relationships. One is filled with arguments, jealousy, emotional games, and uncertainty. The other is built on trust, honest communication, mutual respect, and emotional safety. Which one is more likely to survive life's hardest seasons? The answer is obvious. Peace is not boring. Peace is strength. It allows two people to grow together, instead of constantly defending themselves. Marcus Aurelius wrote that the happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. The same is true for relationship. When both people bring patience, honesty, gratitude, and understanding, the relationship becomes a place of peace. That is why these words carry so much meaning. I feel peaceful when I'm with you. Every mature man hopes to become someone who brings peace instead of stress. Hearing those words reminds him that his character is making a difference. Now we come to the 13th and final line. I'm grateful you're in my life. This simple sentence combines love, respect, and appreciation. Notice what it does not say. It does not say, I need you to complete me. Stoicism teaches appreciation, not dependence. Dependence creates fear. Appreciation creates freedom. When a woman says, I'm grateful you're in my life, she recognizes the value a man brings without placing the burden of her happiness on him. That creates a healthier relationship, because both people choose each other freely. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself that everything in life is temporary. Every day is a gift. Every relationship is a gift. Gratitude keeps us from taking those gifts for granted. Many relationships don't end because love disappears. They end because appreciation disappears. People stop noticing effort. They stop expressing thanks. Over time, both partners begin to feel unseen. Gratitude changes that. It reminds someone that their presence matters. And every human heart wants to feel valued. None of these 13 lines are magical. Words alone cannot create lasting love. Character does. Marcus Aurelius believed people should become admirable through their actions, not clever words. The same wisdom applies here. Empty compliments are quickly forgotten, but sincere words, backed by consistent actions, become unforgettable. The real Stoic lesson is simple. Do not try to control another person's feelings. Control your own character. Choose calm over anger, honesty over pretending, gratitude over entitlement, patience over haste, strength without arrogance, kindness without weakness. When your actions match your words, trust grows. Trust creates respect. Respect creates emotional safety. And emotional safety creates lasting attraction. So if you remember only one lesson from this video, let it be this. Don't focus on saying impressive things. Focus on becoming an impressive person. Because when character speaks, even simple words carry extraordinary power. When your heart is honest, your words carry real power. When your mind is calm, your presence brings peace. When your actions reflect your values, trust grows naturally. In the end, lasting attraction is not built on beauty, clever words, or fleeting excitement. It is built on peace. It is built on integrity. It is built on gratitude. Above all, it is built on the quiet strength of good character. That is the Stoic way. If you found these Stoic lessons valuable, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who could benefit from this wisdom. Leave a comment below, and tell us which lesson resonated with you the most. Thank you for watching. Until next time, master your mind, strengthen your character, and let wisdom guide your life.